Here is my laryngeal model. First, I'm going to start with the dark blue. These are your tracheal rings or your partial trachea. They are horseshoe shaped and located in the upper chest and the lower neck and are inferior to the larynx. Next are the yellow. These are your arytenoids, and they are what we call our candy corn in class. They are a lateral and control movement of the vocal folds and are also attached to the thyroid cartilage itself. Next are the pink. These are your corniculates, and they are the superior most part of your arytenoids themselves, and they are also just attached to those arytenoids. Fourth is the epiglottis. This is here in the black, and it's the space between the vocal folds, and it doesn't really cover your airway. Then we have the hyoid bone, which is in the neon yellow, and this is at the base of the tongue in the oral cavity, and it is also kind of a horseshoe shape as well. Then we have the thyroid cartilage, which is this big red piece here. It's the V in the front of the neck, and it's a kind of a protective shield at the anterior part of the larynx. Next, we have the cricoid cartilage, which is the green down here, and it works with the thyroid cartilage to help keep that epiglottis upward, and it's the underneath and bottom right before you get to the actual trachea. Then we have the muscles. So first, the dark green are the lateral cricoarytenoids. So you can see right here, these originate at the cricoid cartilage and go to those arytenoids. Then the transverse arytenoids are here in purple, like this bridge area, and it's the space between the arytenoids that goes across, and it brings the posterior part of the arytenoids together. Then we have the light blue, which is the X here. So these are the oblique arytenoids, and they are lateral or sideways and give that X pattern on top of the transverse. Then we have the orange, which is this part all around here, and it's the only abductor, and it opens up to let you breathe. And it's located on the back of the cricoid cartilage and around, and these are referred to as posterior cricoarytenoids. Then we have the thyroarytenoids, which are the white, as you can see, like right there. And these are the true vocal folds, and they run the length of the vocal folds from the thyroid to the arytenoid cartilage. And finally, the brown here, and then the brown back here is the cricothyroid. And this allows the thyrocricoid to rock down and is between the cricoid and the thyroid cartilage.